Hello everybody, today for repair now is power supply. It's a COUGAR VTE 600 watts. There is a bending a little, but it's not what we worry about. What we worry about is a short at the 12 volts line. I've already checked it, now I'm gonna show it to you. As you can see, there is a short, which is the main problem. I've checked the primary, at least the light bulb is reacting, the PFC is working. So we open it, it's unusually clean inside, no dust, no dirt. That's the radiator where we gonna find the faulty element. I removed all the screws. Now I'm removing the PCB in order we would be able to find the element. Don't forget to discharge the capacitor. It can be charged and can strike you pretty badly. Always take care of that. At this power supply, at this power 600 watts, they didn't use transistors for rectification. They used Schottky diodes, so we won't be able to find the exact faulty one as we can do with transistors, where we can measure resistance from gate to the source. Here you cannot do that. We just need to locate where 12 volts line is, where those Schottky diodes are. So this line is probably 5 volts, and as you can see it's okay. And this line, this line is 12 volts. Let's confirm one more time that there is a short, and as you can see there is a short. So we should remove those elements, but we cannot remove those separately. We have to remove the whole radiator because there is no other way to do it. Very tight, everything. So that's the 12 volts line in the middle, and I can see the bad element. There is an insulating cover and it's melted, so that is clear. Okay. So in order to remove the radiator, I desoldered the main PCB from the input PCB. Also I added some leaded solder in order to lower the melting temperature. And here I'm gonna use my special desoldering tool. As you can see, it contains lamps from cars. Nothing special, 12 volts, 60 watts lamp one. So as you can see, I can regulate the brightness, and that is the power. When I put it on and heat it well enough, I will turn it on for full power. Full power for this solder device is 700 watts. I've checked it with watt meter, and the temperature is about 280 degrees, or maybe about not more than 300 degrees. So when I desolder it, there is no SMD components burning or something like that, so the temperature is just enough for desolder leaded solder. Joints that are unleaded, they are not soldered properly with that device. So I kind of like it, and I use it for those boards that are not very thick. Also with thick boards I also use it, but just have to wait a little bit more. Okay, we successfully removed the radiator. As you can see, nothing burned. All the SMD components are in place. After I just need to clean the holes. That's it. The radiator is still hot. And that is our bad guy, which we have to remove and replace. Okay, now everything is gonna cool down and we will proceed. Okay, everything cooled. Let's confirm. So this is good. This is not good. One side it is actually good, and on the other it's not. So one diode and the internal structure is damaged. This one is good, and those we already checked, those lines were good. This one can be damaged, but actually it is okay, and this one is okay. Just okay. Let's replace it. This is 40 amps and 600, not 660 volts, and I'm gonna put 60 amps and 100 volts, so with some excess power ratings. Okay, let's put it in place. Sometimes this is the hardest thing in the whole repair, but if you're patient, you can do it. Okay, as you can see, everything is back. Let's solder it. Let's make sure that there is no short anymore. And as you can see, resistance is increasing, which means that capacitors are charging and no short is there. Okay, let's clean the excess rosin. Actually, rosin is a good insulator, so it's not necessary to clean it, just for aesthetic purposes, probably not for anything else. Just like this. Make it nice and shiny. After that, dry it a little bit. And that's it. Also, don't connect it directly from mains. If you have an isolating transformer like I do, use it. If you don't have, connect the mains using a light bulb in series. 100 watts light bulb would be sufficient for such task. We are interested in that LED, 12 volts. Connect the isolating transformer, 230 volts in my case, and as you can see, green light is present and 12 volts also there. I'm not gonna show you the process of putting everything back, it's not interesting. We know that we saved it and it's gonna serve its purpose. If you like it, give it a thumb up. See you next time. Bye.